Alright, what is going on, guys? So I want to give you a little update. I want to hop on here real quick and just kind of let you know what was going on in the shop. Touch base since WorkbenchCon. I know you guys are probably tired of hearing about WorkbenchCon, and I gave a little update when I got back on Instagram. But I just want to update you guys here on YouTube and just let you know that it was a great turnout. It was a beneficial trip. My talk went better than expected, so that's always good. And I learned a lot. You know, there were some other talks that I gained a lot of knowledge from, and glad that I attended them. So I just really love the conference. And then I got to talk to a lot of people that I haven't seen in a while. I also got to meet some people that I've never met before, so that's cool. So really looking forward to 2020 for the next WorkbenchCon. So if you didn't get a chance to go and you think that is something you'd like to try, plan it now and start preparing for the trip. I don't know where it's going to be. I'm just saying that I'm looking forward to it and hope to see you there next year. So other things going on in the shop, I finished all of the dust collection. Got the shop lighting up. I don't know if you can tell on this video like what the shop lighting looks like, but it's really good as far as the color goes and the distribution of it. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out. You know, the end of 2018, I kind of declined a little bit as far as projects go, and then beginning of 2019, I did dust collection, shop lighting. So I am excited just to start woodworking now. I got, you know, the dust collection and the shop lighting were the two main things I wanted to do this year. And so I just want to go ahead and knock them out at the first of the year, but at the beginning, and got that done. So glad that's behind me. Really happy the way it's been going. I've been doing this Instagram thing like for the last 8 days. I think today's number 8. But for the last 8 days, I've been posting each tool and the setup that I've got for dust collection at each one. Getting a lot of good feedback from that. So if you didn't catch that and you're on Instagram, you can go check that out and just see all 8 days. But yeah, that's working out really well. Coming up, as far as projects go, I'm in the design process right now for a pergola. That's going to be a video that Craftsman is going to be sponsoring. The project itself has been on my list for a long time. It just so happens that Craftsman's going to sponsor that video. So I'm looking forward to getting that done. I just want to get, the spring is just around the corner, so I want to get that whole patio area fixed up so I can, you know, the outdoor kitchen and the patio chairs that I made, and then the pergola. I'm going to have plans for the pergola, and I've got plans for those chairs. So really looking forward to getting all that tied together and promoting it for the springtime. Also, and I got some more things coming up this year that I'm really excited about. Two things real quick I'm going to learn. I'm going to do my first epoxy project, not a river table or anything. I'm just going to incorporate some epoxy in a project. And then also welding. I've welded once, but I'm going to weld again. Hopefully I'll learn a little bit more about welding. Not really looking to turn into a metal worker, but I want to incorporate that into my content. So I'll be looking for those two things. And speaking of YouTube, I want to plug my son's YouTube channel again. He's got like 18 subscribers and like 3 videos on his channel. I'll link it down in the description if you want to keep up with what he's doing. Of course, I'm behind the scenes monitoring everything, so no danger there. So, but if you want to keep up with what he's doing, I'm helping him with the editing and posting of his videos. I'll leave a link in the description, so go check him out, subscribe, tell him he's doing a good job. Just dropped a podcast episode today, number 21, episode number 21, which it's gonna be season 2. Every 20 episode is gonna be a new season, and hopefully that'll kind of give me the spread that I need to, like, okay, season 1, this is the kind of phase that I was in. I've kind of evolved a little bit. Here's season 2. And so this is like beginning of 2019. I know I had an episode last month, but it's just easier to say 20 episodes for every season. So season 2, episode 21. But I'll link that below if you want to go check that out. I kind of get into what I talked about at WorkbenchCon, like my actual talk that I gave, and then just some future, like what is Stone and Sons up to, where am I going, and that kind of thing. And just saying thank you to you guys. You guys are what makes all this happen. And I realize firsthand, that if you weren't watching this video right now, if you weren't here, I realize that there's no reason for me to be doing this. So same thing for Instagram, same thing for my website, my YouTube videos. If you guys were not, viewing this, or in my audience or my community, there would be really no reason for me to be doing this. So I just want to say thank you, and I say thank you on the podcast as well. So go check out that podcast, leave me a comment as what you think, and subscribe if you're not. So that helps me in the ratings. Leave me a review, or whatever, however you do that. If you can do it, if not, don't worry about it. But the ratings help. So other things going on in the shop. I pretty much got the layout that I like. Jay came by the shop yesterday, and I meant to get some Instagram stories going while he was here, and we were just in conversation, and it just didn't happen. So he seemed to like the layout, and so I like the layout myself. But it's always nice to have people come in the shop and say, "Oh, I like the layout. I like what you're doing here." So it just kind of validates what I'm doing. Even Jason came by the shop yesterday, my buddy Barlow. I think he was in agreement that he liked the way things were laid out. So, and I feel like I've got room to work in here, and so it feels good. I'm gonna give a shop tour sometime this year, so that is in the works as well. It's been a while since I've done a shop tour, and I think I'm at the point where I think I can give another shop tour, and the shop has changed quite a bit. And maybe you guys can get some tips from it. So, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Just kind of want to update you guys, let you know what's been going on, what to expect. Check out the podcast episode, and go check out my son's YouTube channel and tell him what's up. He's having so much fun with that thing, man. It's just really exciting to see him. He'll say, "Dad, I got another subscriber," or, "Hey, I've got some more views on my video." He's just like grinning ear to ear. And so that's just a lot of fun. I'm having fun with that, and helping him, and see him, developing some video skills, and just being creative. And it's funny to watch him. I'll tell you this, and then I'll shut up. But he'll say, while he's videoing, like for an example, he'll say, "Yeah, comment below what you think. What did I do?" Or like, or he'll try to be funny, or do cut shots, and it's just hilarious. He's a funny kid. Anyway, show him some support. Links are in the comments below, or in the description below. And I'll be back next month to update you here on this channel. Maybe before. I also have a laser going on that thing. That's going to be awesome. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to incorporate a laser into my content. What should I do as a first project with a laser? I don't know. I've never had a laser before, so let me know. All right, guys. See you next time.